Let's make copycat Burger King nuggets. 1 kilogram chicken mince. Seasoning with salt, black pepper, and aromat to taste. You can add in optionally green chili paste. Mix well and keep aside for a half hour. Now prepare for coating. Add 1 cup plain flour into a bowl. Add in chicken spice, salt and pepper, paprika, coating seasoning. Combine everything. Add breadcrumbs into separate bowl. Whisk eggs in separate bowl. Shape mince into a flat nuggets. Now dip each nuggets into the flour mixture, then dip in the egg, then the breadcrumbs, gently pressing the crumbs into the chicken, and set on a plastic covered plate. Repeat with the remaining chicken. Deep fry chicken into the pan until chicken turn into light golden and crispy. Transfer the chicken nuggets to a paper towel. Serve with your favorite dip. Thanks for the watching. Follow for more recipes.